Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Sri Julaihati, salah satu dosen dari Program Studi Pendidikan Akuntansi Fakultas Ekonomi dan Bisnis Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Saya ditunjuk sebagai pembimbing satu dari mahasiswa bernama Novi Julianti dengan judul skripsi Pengaruh Minat Belajar, Motivasi Belajar, dan Lingkungan Keluarga terhadap hasil belajar mata pelajaran dasar-dasar perbankan, merupakan studi pada siswa Sekolah Menengah Kejuruan Negeri 48 Jakarta.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. So today I will present my research proposal seminar titled The Influence of Learning Interest, Learning Motivation, and Family Environment on Learning Outcome, the Basic of Banking, Study and a Student of the State Vocational High School at 48 Jakarta. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Novi Julianti, and I'm a student in the Economic Education program, especially in the Accounting Education, Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University, 2019. Okay, I also want to thank my two great supervisors who also helped me in the preparing this research. First is Mrs. Tera Asri Zulahati MSI, and the second is Ms. Dwi Kismayanti Respati, SPDMK. So, without further ado, let us go right into the chapter 1. Okay, first, we'll go over the background of my research. As the world enters the fourth industrial revolution in the 21st century, Indonesia faces a situation in which every aspect of life must be ready to withstand and adapt to all of the consequences. Education is another subject that will be impacted by this era. Suratina Lestari and Julinas 2022 claimed that the level of human resource education in a country is directly proportionate to that country progress. The success of education can be seen from the achievement of good learning outcomes, Rambe 2018. Also tell that learning outcomes achieved by students in learning activities on cognitive, emotional, and psychomotor elements can be applied to evaluate educational performance in accomplishing its aims. According to the news, the quality of education in Indonesia hasn't been equally distributed. Furthermore, this situation was worse by the impact of COVID-19, which has forced the public sector, including schools, to close and learning activities to be closed. According to Hardy 2022, learning activities and student attendance were among the effect of the COVID-19 pandemic on the education sector. Start with the possibility of learning loss, and the worst is to dropping out of school. So basically, what is learning loss? According to Mahendra, Apriza, and Rohmani 2022, learning loss is a situation in which there is a decrease and loss of learning outcomes, which can be caused by a lack of interaction between a student and the teacher during the learning process. Student feeling bored, losing motivation in learning, and even causing students to lose interest in learning. So basically, each student accomplishment of learning outcome is very unique. Many factors can have an impact on learning result. These factors are classified as internal and external, based on Hapnida et al. 2018. According to Jafrita et al. 2019, internal determinants include psychological aspects like physical health and disabilities, and psychological elements like motivation, interest, talents, study habits, and focus. While external factors are those that exist outside of the student self, they include family factor, school factors, and the social factors. So as a result, I became captivated to the research topic that the influence of learning interest, learning motivation, and family environment on learning outcomes. Okay, following that is the formulation of the problem based on my research, which include first, is there a positive influence between learning interest on a student learning outcome? Second, is there a positive influence between learning motivation on uh, learning outcomes? Third, is there a positive influence on the family environment on a student learning outcomes? And the last is there a positive influence between learning interest, learning motivation, and family environment on student learning outcomes? Okay, for research purpose, my research include based on the problems that the researcher formulated, the study aims to obtain valid and reliable data regarding four topics. The first is the influence of learning interest on learning outcome. The second is the influence of learning motivation on learning outcomes. The third is the influence of the family environment on the learning outcome. And the last is the effect of the interest learning, motivation learning, and the family environment. Sorry. The last is the effect of learning interest, learning motivation, and the family environment on the student outcome or learning outcome. Okay. The last in the chapter 1 is the novelty of the research is divided into the two. First is theoretical benefits. Theoretically, this study is adding a wealth of knowledge and insight in the world of education, especially about how to increase student learning outcomes through learning interest, learning motivation, and the family environment factor. And the second of novelty of research is practical benefits, like for researcher. The finding of the study important for widening the horizon of knowledge, thinking abilities in the field of education, particularly in relation to the influence of learning interest, motivation, and the family environment on the learning outcomes. And then for the schools, additional information and input for student, instructor, schools, and other institution about tactic to approach and to improve student learning outcomes through the aspect like learning interest, motivation, and the family environment. For the college, it is hoped that this research will contribute to it and improve their children's abilities through an interest learning. Okay, next, we go to the chapter 2. The following in the chapter 2, the first is I want to tell you about the theoretical review about my research. The first variable is x1, learning interest. Learning interest is the interest of a student and activities of learning or learning without coercion from the others. Rahman and Wulandari 2022. And the second variable, x2, is learning motivation. Learning motivation is the tendency of students to carry out learning activity with the encouragement of the desire to achieve of maximal learning outcomes. Nisa and Sujarwo 2020. The third variable is family environment. Family environment is the oldest educational institution which is informal and it is natural education institution. Wahid et al. 2020. The last variable, learning outcome, is variable Y. Learning outcomes are essentially a positive transformation of behavior as a result of learning in broader sense covering cognitive, affective, and psychomotor. Sujana 2009, in Prihatini 2017. Furthermore, here are some previous studies that are relevant to the research that I will conduct, including these four from Octaviani Pratiwiwijaya and Imam Bukhari 2017. The title is Effect of Learning Motivation, Family Factor, School Factor, and Community Factor on a student learning outcome on productive subject. And the result is learning motivation has no significant effect of learning outcomes. And the second is family factors or environment have a positive and significant influence on learning outcomes. The second is from Alvan Rais Anaufal and Muhammad Abdul Ghafur 2021. The title is Lingkungan Keluarga dan Motivasi Belajar Terhadap Hasil Belajar Mata Pelajaran Ekonomi pada Pembelajaran Daring. And the result is family environment, or Indonesia is lingkungan keluarga, partially has no influence on learning outcomes. The second is partially learning motivation has a positive and significant influence on learning outcomes. And the third is simultaneously, the two variables have a positive and significant influence on learning outcomes. Okay, the third relevant research is from Siti Yuniweniati and Rohmawati 2022. The title is Pengaruh Blended Learning, Minat dan Motivasi Terhadap Hasil Belajar Siswa pada Masa Pandemi di SMK. And the result is learning interest atau minat belajar in Indonesia has a positive and a significant influence of learning outcomes. And the second is learning motivation has a positive and significant influence on learning outcomes. And the last relevant research is from Yoga Tri Nur Rahman and Ruri Nurul Aini Wulandari 2022, where the title is Pengaruh Motivasi, Minat dan Kesiapan Belajar Siswa terhadap Hasil Belajar Siswa kelas 10 OTKP, studi kasus mata pelajaran simulasi dan komunikasi digital metode blended learning. And the result is learning motivation has a positive and significant influence on learning outcomes. And the last is interest in learning has a positive and significant influence on learning outcomes. Okay, next to the research outline. This is the research outline that can be shown. Yeah, there are variable x1, x2, x3, and variable y. Okay, based on the previous research outline, there are several hypotheses, including the first is there is a positive and significant influence between learning interests on learning outcomes. And then the hypothesis 2, there is a positive and significant influence between learning motivation on learning outcomes. And the third hypothesis, there is a positive and significant influence between the family environment and learning outcomes. And the last is there is a positive and significant influence between the learning interest, learning motivation, and family environment on learning outcomes. Okay, so we go to the last chapter, is the chapter 3. Okay, a researcher or me choose SMKN 48 Jakarta Timur or Vocational High School 48 Jakarta as a research site for a variety of reasons. The first is the school is one of the best in Jakarta. According to a Kompas.com article, is Jakarta SMKN 48 is ranked as the second best vocational high school in Jakarta based on the UTBK 2022. And in 2021, SMKN 48 is ranked first as the top school with the highest UTBK average score, according to an article from Kompas.com. And according to a news report by detik.com, SMKN 48 or Vocational High School 48 is Jakarta is in the second place in 2022. And the second reason is the site in the location where the researcher will carry out practical teaching activities over the next 6 months, over the past 6 months. This is one of the factors to consider because after completing this task, researcher will be able to establish effective communication and relationship with the teacher as well as the student who will be the subject of the research. Furthermore, basic banking is one of the subjects that have been taught, and it is the researcher job to give a student 6 months of learning. This is also advantageous because it might help to streamline research process. Okay, as the total population of vocational high school 48 Jakarta, based on data taken from the Kemendikbud official website, there are 859 students with an available population is 142 students specifically for the financial and institutional accounting major. The researcher used the Slovene formula where the affordable sample was 106 special grade 11 and 12 student who had been studied basic banking subject. Okay, and last is the research method. The type of research of my proposal is, or my research is quantitative research. My data source type is primary data, is from questionnaire result, and secondary data is from journals, ebook, and many more. Next is the data collection. For the collecting data, researcher use a questionnaire with a Likert scale of scale measurement from 1 to 5. And to process data, researcher do data quality test, which is including validity test and reliability test. The second is classic assumption test, which is including the normality test, multicollinearity test, and heterozeticity test. And the last is hypothesis test, which is including the multiple linear regression test, t-test, f-test, and coefficient of determination test. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you for the attention. Thank you for the listening. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.